The pipes are freezing, but guess what? I'm not. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by BeautyForeverHair. They sent me another unit to review for you guys. Now, before we get into this easy breezy install, just know your girl went through some things, okay? I did exactly what I told y'all not to do in this video, and I had to go back and fix it, okay? So if you want to see how to fix your wigs in case you get a bald spot, make sure you stay tuned for that. My voice is acting up. What is happening? Anyway, before we get into all that, the specs and what I think about this unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from BeautyForeverHair. All the specs of my unit right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. This should be fairly easy because we have done a kinky straight unit on my channel before, but I believe this is the first time I'm doing one for BeautyForeverHair. The texture is feeling really nice. It's soft. The density is nice. I'm gonna go ahead and spray her down with my dry shampoo and my water. Give it a quick little home bath, okay? Get that smell out. Like this, pat it in like that. Most wigs that I showcase will have a smell just like this one, okay? The lace on the back, you don't need that, okay? Oh, I got the bars, I'm not gonna tint the lace just yet because it's a little, it has like a brown tint to it. So I think I'm gonna be good with that. It does come with the elastic band though, so you know, that's nice. I wanna try to wear this unit glueless, so we'll see how it fits. I am gonna tighten it down just a little bit. Let me put it on. Like so. Oh, that's comfy. That's comfy. Y'all see that? Nice stretch. The hairline is, I mean, it gives a little starter pack. I need more. Brush it back like this, and then I'm gonna clip it up with my claw clip so I can get this hair situated the way I want her to be. Now I can do the pull method or I can use my tweezers. If you decide to use tweezers, the best ones to use in my opinion are the square tip ones. The square tip tweezers, y'all. Those ones right there. They just have a lot more, you know, grasp to me. One section at a time, okay? But when you do that, you gotta be careful because you don't wanna make a bald spot like I think I just did. Oh, child, I think I did. Let me just pull some out as I normally would. This hair comes out really easy, so the pull-in should be fairly quickly. Make sure I get behind the hairline. Now I'm gonna tell you, wigs from BeautyForeverHair also fall under, in my opinion, those fast fashion wigs. They don't do any type of extra plucking or bleaching of the knots. It's pretty much what you see is what you get. The quality of the hair may be a little bit different from other wigs that fall in this category, in my opinion. I never have any issues when it comes to their wig quality or what y'all have received from them, especially those who email me and let me know, you know, the updates on the wigs they buy based on my reviews for this company. So they've pretty much been level when it comes to, you know, their hair quality and what you get for their wigs. I put a bald spot there and there. Good grief. Brush this out, make sure I don't have any excess fallout. Again, I don't want to glue this down, so we're gonna try to rock her gluelessly. Use your razor or your scissors, whatever's easiest for you. I know I tell y'all what's easy for me, but that's only because I've been doing it for a while. So don't let this fool you, okay? Look at me, moving fast, didn't cut off my ear tab. Gonna use our mousse around the hairline, okay? So Nairobi mousse around the hairline. Smooth that on in. And this doesn't mean that I'm gonna wear the unit glueless. I want to wear it glueless and the mousse does help mold my hairline, but after I take my wrap off, if it's not sitting how I want it to sit, I will definitely still spray her down with my Ebin spray. This isn't a curly wig, so it's not going, you know, the edges are not gonna curl up, but I still use my circular motions to get the hairline to swish the way I want it to, okay? They sent me a band. Okay, move the hairs back, strap her down. There we go, yo. There we go, yo. Okay, I used my blow dry brush to sleek out the hair just a little bit, and now I'm going to use my hot comb to sleek it out even more. I do have it on the 4th light, so it's pretty hot. I do love this more than I love my flat iron, just telling you. With the flat iron, I wouldn't be able to do all this at once. I would have to go in section by section. With this, it combs through that, okay? So it straightens all of that. Thank you. Just be mindful though, it can pull out some of the hair, so don't be as rough as me, but you know, I don't really care. Ain't nothing but a little bit of straightening. I just be doing my own thing. Let me brush it out some. It's a little tangle back here. I wanna make sure I'm not pulling out too much hair. All right, that's looking pretty daggone good. Before I take my band off, I think I wanna bump my ends a little bit. My ends are they're a little stringy, but we're gonna see how they curl. KT3, let's see what you're gonna do. Bumpity bump bump, bumpity bump bump. Now I don't care for a bunch of curls, and I'm not going for that look. So I just want three curls for the bump look. I'm getting some shedding on here. Wait a minute. I touched the daggone button. What did I do?
Recording.
If y'all have the T3, is there any way to not, keep hitting this button? Because I keep tapping it by mistake, and it keeps having to, restart the heating process. KP's tooth came out. Yeah. He pulled it out himself, yep. Let's take off the wrapping. Let me pin this back so I can see how the hair is looking. It's looking pretty good. Bring it a little bit further up here. I'm gonna put some grease on my hair just to get rid of these flyaways because they showing out. Get that down. I could probably put on my wig grip, to be honest. Brush it back like so. Let me take my contour to blend in my lace. This is a 13x4 transparent lace wig, so you will need to tint your lace just a little bit. I'm gonna put on my wig grip because I still have some room in mine. I mean, I could tighten it down, but I don't want it to be too tight, so I'm just gonna put on my wig grip. Snug as a rug. Here we go. Over the lace and through the cap. Ooh. Do I want a side part or do I want a middle part? Let me get my parting space right. Like so. Press the part down. Use your tweezers to open up your part. Ooh, pretty. I'm gonna use my knot eraser in my parting space. This color right here in the middle. Tap, 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 tap. Set it with my powder. Okay, y'all, so here we go with the final look. I think it's really cute. I put, I got a little how you doing right here in the front because I plucked it a little bit too much or pulled it a little bit too much. But as you can see, I still think I made it work for me. I wouldn't consider this beginner friendly if you don't know how to pluck your hairline or if you don't know how to fix your hairline, if you over pluck it or get some bald spots. But if you want to rock this joint out the pack and just do a little straightening, then this could be beginner friendly for you. You can see my line of demarcation there though. Excuse my wig, okay? Excuse my hairline because my lace is a little bit darker than my skin tone. What happened there? Maybe if I can wipe some of it off. Let me see. I don't know. Maybe it'll work, maybe not. Let me just spray it down with some water really quick. I got some of that off. Can you see that? Let me see. Let me do a side part. See if that fixes what needs to be fixed. I'm gonna use my blow dryer on high heat to flatten this out. Okay, I think that helped. I need to fill some of that in, so I'm gonna use a little bit of my Toppik right here. Comb that in. Take this part right here. I'm just gonna pin it behind my ear. Pin it behind the ear. Pin this side. I'm gonna leave her alone because if I keep messing with her, I'm gonna make it worse. So yeah, that's how I fix my wig. Why my voice turning? But this is how we're looking. I feel like the look as a whole is really cute, really pretty. We just gotta do some things for the, the parting space and the hairline. Be careful because the knots on this unit are not super reinforced, so you may have some, extra balding spots if you pull out way too much or if you tweeze out too much hair. So take your time with this one, but go ahead and get the looks. Look at the bundles. And y'all see it's getting bigger and bigger the more I play in it, right? Even though it looks thick, the hair itself is very, very light. So you will get a lot of movement up in this area if you don't press this joint out. The hair is soft, it's fluffy. I love this texture, okay? It brings the heat, but it's cold outside, okay? Bundle up. The pipes are freezing, but guess what? I'm not. Shout out one more time to BeautyForeverHair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and the coupon code for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.